All right, okie dokie, Annie Oakleys, let's get to this one, partner. So this is an area of composite shape. This thing here, I want to find the area, how many square units are on the inside. It'd be nice if we had grid paper and it was all gridded out. We could just count the number of squares. It'd be nice if this was actually a shape that we know. It's like a U shape kind of a thing. Basically, I need to break this down into rectangles. So this one looks nice to me. I'm just going to break it down like that. And then maybe I'm going to say, like maybe this here. No, let's break it like this. Let's do that instead. It actually doesn't matter how you break this rectangle. So you can break it up like that into those three, or you can break it up into these three, or you can break it up any number of ways. You could have broken it up like this, had a nice long one, and then had those guys. So I just chose to do it this way. If you did it another way, great. Let's compare if we got the same answer. We should. It's just how many square units are inside of this shape. So let's find the area of all these rectangles now. This is a 9 by 9. It's I'm going to do all the things in the same color that are the same color. This is a 9. This is also a 9. So 9 times 9 is 81. 81 square units. 81 square centimeters here. Now I'm going to look at this shape here, and ooh, okay, cool. I've got a 15. I've got a 15 from here to here times a 6. I'm going to run out of colors, but that's all right. A 15 times 6. So this is a 6 times 15. Is how to find the area of rectangles. And 6 times 15. 6 times 10 is 60. And 6 times 5 is 30. So 60 plus 30 is 90. So that's 90 square centimeters right there. So 90 square centimeters. All right, now this one gets a little tricky because some students want to say that this side length here is 24. It most certainly is not. So this from here to here is what we're looking for. The entire length here is 24. So from here to here is 24. It's a bad color. So from here to here is 24. So the question is what is this piece here? Well, that's 9. That is already 9. We already know it. This is 9 up here, so this has to be 9 here. So know that this much is 9. So 9 plus what is 24? Another way to do that is to subtract away 9 from 24. So 24 subtracting 9. Take away 9 gets me what's left here, what's left over, and that is 15. Borrow from the 1, that turns into 14, is 15. So this here is 15. All right, so this piece is 15. Right here is 15. And now we just need to figure out, well, what is this? What is this here? What is this piece? What is that piece there? We know that this is 15. And in total, this is, in total from here to here is 18. So 15 plus 3. Plus 3 is 18. This is a 15. Here's 15. Here's 15. Red and red. So 15 plus 3 is 18. So this rectangle is a 3 by 15. 3 times 15 is 45 centimeters squared. To find the total area, you would take the 9 square centimeters plus the 81 square centimeters plus the 45 square centimeters. If you did this differently, your rectangles would be different sizes, but they would all add up to, was that 6? And that 17 plus 4 is 21. 216 square centimeters of area.